Yeah, welcome to Kelo TV where we learn how to create a website, how to create a game, how to create an app, and so much more. So kindly share my video, share to your loved ones so that they also learn how to create and also make money online. So as you can see today's video, we're going to use Replit AI to create a job site for us. So as you can see, this is the command prompt I created. So which says create a job website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I later on said with optional backend like Node.js and or Python, the website should allow job seekers to view and apply for jobs by filling an application form. So through you can go through this. So this is the command prompt. So with this, let's ask Reflect AI. If you have not uh, used Reflect AI, first of all, you need to create an account. Why I just go ahead to start, showing you this because I have some videos about how to get started. So if you have not watched that, please kindly check, or I will link it into this video's description, so you can go down below to check. So let's ask Replit to create this website for us. Okay, so as you can see, it has started creating the website for us. So you can see what is happening here. Okay, and you can see all the headings of how it's going to create the website for us. Okay, so here you can see it's working. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, let me approve the plan. Okay, so it has checked on this building. Let's wait and see. As you can see, find your dream job. You can see job seeker, you can see employer. So you can see it's going to analyze, going to line up this. So it's using a dollar to write. Okay, so you have the right to change any currency you want to use. Okay, so you can see still building. Let's wait. You can see design job about 567 jobs, finance about 432. You can see healthcare 678. You can see education jobs 234. So let's wait for this job to be completed. We're going to see a good, nice job website without you spending much of your time. So now let's wait for it to build it completely. As you can see, connect with top employees and discover opportunities that match your skills. You can see still building. You can see product manager. You can see the location, New York. You can see still building. So let's wait for it. As you can see, still creating, still waiting. It has done so many pages. Okay. So as you can see, the job is completed. This is the URL where we're going to visit to see how the sites look like. So let's check. This is the URL where we're going to click copy and we'll put it here. We're going to see how the website has been built for us by Replit check. So from here you can see that the site is looking good. Let me minimize. Okay, so that you can see it has the header section. It created this logo for hot job portal. You can see home page, you can see find jobs, you can see companies, and you can see about us. While here you can see job seeker, and here you can see employer. So it has loaded. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the website that we just created with the Replit AI. You can see very clean design and nice website. You can see active jobs. You can see 10,000 jobs is posted on the website, and you can see 5,000 companies. You can see job seekers 5,000. Then you can see the success rate 95. Then here you can see recent job opening. Here you can see different job that has been posted. If you click here, it's going to view all the jobs that was posted. Here you can see browse by category. You can see find jobs in your prepared industry, and here you can see technology, marketing, design, finance, healthcare, education. So the job is not complete properly. So with this, we can still go ahead and tell the AI because there's no beta section here. So it has not added the beta sections. So let me try to click on the job. So you can see here is showing the job title, and then the site, okay, the city or remote here for employer. So the employer pages is not active, so we can still ask the Reflect AI as well to do that for us. So here we have to come back and tell the AI that the pages you created. Okay, okay. Now we can tell the AI all the sorry. So all the pages are, are not working. Please make it to work correctly. So let's give this and let's see what's going to do for us. Okay. So yeah, as you can see now, it has completed design. Let's check. Now after I give the command that it should allow all the pages to work properly. So this is the reply. Let's check. Okay. Okay, I didn't ask for the footer section or other things. Okay. So let's see the employer page. You can see it's loading. Yes, so you can see this is the employer, but I'm going to ask because it's supposed to show registration when you need to register, not when you just open and you okay. Okay, so you can see post the job. This one is correctly working good, but you need to register before you post the job. So job seekers as well. Let's see the page. Okay, so you can see it's also good, but you're supposed to create an account before you can before you can apply for any job. Okay, upload your resume. Wow, correct. Basic information, work experience, skill, education. Okay, so here you can see it's also good. Okay, but someone need to register. So let's check on the job. Okay, so if you want to apply for a job, okay, okay, if you want to apply for a job, you enter your details, and after then you upload your resume, you your email ID, your LinkedIn URL, your phone number, your cover letter. Then you see your portfolio. That is if you're a web designer or something like that. You put in your URL here so that they may check your work. Here you can see expected salary. So while you see the salary here, if that is not okay by you, you can put in your own salary. Okay. Then when done, you submit application and it will go to the company that posted the job. Okay. So here this is the dashboard. Okay, so find jobs. So this one is not working. Okay, companies also is not working. So this is how to create a website with Reflect AI. And for some of you, you may be wondering if this is real website. This website is real. You can customize it the way you want, how you want it to work with everything. If you're going to add AdSense code, maybe when your site has started getting traffic, you can request it from here. Here is your developer, so you come here. Anything you need to add from the website, you come in here and you'll be able to add. And at the end, you're going to deploy because you can use this site with these things. Supposed to be your domain name, so we can use this. So when you want to deploy, this is when this Reflect will host your website on their server. Okay, and you're going to deploy here. It's going to cost you some money for you to have your site like this. And don't forget, with this website, you can allow job seekers to the employer to post with pricing. So you can add it here, all those things you can write it here to add maybe two, three plans. Okay, one yearly, one maybe 6 months, or one monthly. So that's automatically is going to add for you, and you're going to set your account here. Maybe if you're using PayPal, so you ask that you're using PayPal, and going to ask you to collect API key or some keys, and you paste it here, and it will implement it into the server, and you see the pricing will be here, and anybody who click on it will be able to pay, and anybody paying is going to your account. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up. If you have any question, kindly drop it down. I'll here to reply all your messages. You have any issue creating anything with Reflect, drop any question below in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.